Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to delete my account in Windows 11, and it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To delete your account in Windows 11, follow these methods. First method, go ahead and open your Settings app, click on Accounts, and navigate to the Other Users page on the right side. Choose the account you want to remove and click the Remove button. Click the Delete Account and Data button, and this will erase the account and data files from the system. Last method, using Control Panel. Open Control Panel, click on User Accounts, click on Remove User Accounts, choose the account you want to remove, click the Delete the Account option, choose one of the following, click the Delete Files button to delete the account and its files. Click the Keep Files button to delete the account, but keep its files in the Profile folder. Click the Delete Account button. This will remove the account from Windows 11. By following these steps, you can successfully delete an account in Windows 11. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.